Why do some police officers struggle to respect the very laws they're sworn to uphold? Welcome back to On the Record. In today's episode, we're delving into gripping stories where ordinary citizens challenge authority, reminding us of the power of legal knowledge. From a simple act of filming to a full-blown legal debate, these encounters are anything but ordinary. Let's jump right in. Our journey begins with a woman filming a federal facility from a public space. Enter Officer Wheeze, who confronts her citing security concerns.
What's the purpose of your recording?
For public use, for public publishment.
What are you recording specifically?
The FAA.
You know what kind of concern your behavior might elicit, okay?
I understand that's probably why
we need to make sure that you're not trying to record FAA patterns in terms of who's coming in or out of the facility and that kind of stuff. It's security issues, okay?
Unfazed, she references a 2018 DHS memo asserting her right to film.
May I ask you this? Are you aware of the 2010 or 2018 DHS memo that makes it perfectly legal for any photographer to video record or photograph a federal facility from a public spot?
No, can you show that to me?
You can initiate a consensual conversation.
Which I did.
And I can walk away at any point.
Well, no, now you're being detained because I need to dispel my concern about what you're doing here.
Why am I being detained, sir?
Suspicious activity.
The officer, doubtful, detains her, but she doesn't falter.
Photography cannot be used.
You and I are going to go around in a circle.
No, sir. Please let me
Could
finish.
I have your ID?
I don't have an ID.
You don't have an ID?
No.
Okay.
You are incorrect.
I'm not.
Yes, sir.
No. What am I incorrect about?
It's a tense standoff, revealing the complexities of public rights and security. Next, two women protesting against a pigeon shooting club catch the attention of law enforcement. One, a lawyer, challenges the officers.
So we would appreciate it if you would leave. You are on private property. Thank you.
Okay. Do you have the audio on those cameras?
Yes.
Okay. Would you mind turning the audio off?
No, I don't need to.
Okay. You
Okay.
know,
Do I have to repeat what I just said?
Well, I
To this
think
young
this is
lady?
public access here.
Well, you're on private property and you're past
Well, I
that
think
point.
it's public. Well, I think this is
I think
public
you're past-
access.
you understand you have every right to protest, but that you can't be on their property without their consent.
Okay.
You can be on public property. You can be on the roadway where it does not impede traffic, but they have the right to ask you to leave the property.
Okay. Well, there is public access along here, so it goes to a certain point. So I think we're within that point.
She questions the need for her ID, standing her ground on legal nuances. The officers, caught off guard, can only request they don't block traffic.
We're here on a police call. We're having contact with you, and we're going to identify you and name you on our police report. That's what we do.
Okay. Well, I'd rather not give you my name
Okay. Why would that be?
because I don't think I'm doing anything illegal. I don't think I'm under suspicion of anything.
What they're asking is you don't stand on this plowed driveway and you stand on the other side of these snowbanks.
Did you see that?
Here's a courthouse lawyer, who's also an Uber driver, facing an unwarranted stop. He confidently uses his legal skills to manage the situation.
So I'm driving Uber, and my passenger's getting arrested.
Hey, Bob, turn that off, okay?
No, I'll keep recording, thank you. It's my right.
Don't record me. You got me?
I will look. You're a police officer on duty. I can record you. And if you come to this side of the vehicle,
Careful,
I can
because
keep
it's illegal.
recording you.
Turn it off.
I can keep
Turn it
recording
off.
you.
Turn it off and take it jail.
For recording you, I'm
Yes.
sitting in my car holding my phone.
Record me.
What is the law? What are you arresting me for? I'm sitting here in my car. I'm just recording in case anything happens. I'm surrounded by 5 police officers.
You're being a jerk.
I'm scared right now. I'm not being a jerk. I'm recording it in case anything happens.
Well, you better hope we don't find something in your car, okay?
They're not searching my car
I'm
because
gonna search your car.
you're not searching my car.
So it's your rule canine this way.
Bring the canines. I don't care, man. Like, I know my rights.
I hope so. I know what the law is.
I know the law. I'm an attorney, so I would hope I know the law.
And an Uber driver?
And here, man.
And an Uber driver.
Do you want my bar card? Sir, can you tell me what this new law is that I'm not allowed to record?
I'm sorry?
He said that there's a law I'm not allowed to record the police. I just wanted to know what that new law is.
You said you were an attorney, correct?
I am. I've never heard of this law that you're not allowed to record the police anymore. It must be brand new.
Okay, well, they just recently passed it, so.
Like super recently? Seems like a strange law. Man. I showed him my way bill. I really am just driving Uber for some extra money. I don't know where these people are going to and from.
Really about 80. Are these his?
From Mary?
Probably, they're not mine. I have nothing in my car. There's no drugs, there's no alcohol.
I didn't say you did.
Well, the other officer told me he's taking me to jail, so.
Did I say that?
No, your friend said that.
My friend?
I
You mean
assume
the sergeant?
the sergeant, your friend, somebody. They just type in an address, I drive them to there.
You don't mind me asking where you pick him up from?
404 Thrasher, drove him over to here. He told me he's picking up a paycheck, and I'm driving him back. Yeah. He said he works as a dog groomer, and that's his manager that pays him every week that he's going to pick it up from. Next thing I know, I'm surrounded by police.
Are you from the area here? You live here in one?
Yeah, I live here. I work at the courthouse.
Or your courthouse?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
How long you been an Uber driver?
Mr. St. Pierre? A year and a half? 2 years
Okay.
maybe?
Have you been stopped a lot? It's probably why you've been stopped, because you're an Uber driver, right? Because there's a lot of history on the vehicle.
On this vehicle there's history?
Yeah.
Not that I know of.
Okay. All right. Well, here's your license. We're going to wait for K9 because I don't know if he might have dumped something under the seat and you don't want us to look. So we're just going to have K9 come out and smell. And if they do an indication, if not, then you'll be on your way, okay?
Okay. I mean, if he threw something under the seat, it still has nothing to do with me. Like,
Okay, but it's in your car. I'm not saying it has anything to do with you, sir. I've never said that, did I?
no,
I asked you a
I feel
simple
like
question.
someone's gonna be under the car and you're gonna say, I'm the driver, it's my vehicle, I'm responsible.
Negative, sir. I've never said that to you.
Okay.
Okay?
Can you understand my frustration? I'm
Sure
just
I
at
do.
work.
I should.
I-
I absolutely do.
All
Here's
right.
your registration. Just hold on a minute, okay?
Thanks, man.
His legal knowledge proves useful in handling the stop. Next, we witness a defiant man in Flagler County. He's filming in public, and when deputies challenge him, he's ready.
What's your name and badge number?
Are you videotaping license plates? That's
I'm going to tell you right now, okay? If you come out here and you even tell me I can't record something from a public easement, I'm going to hold you liable under Chapter 21, Title 42, United States Code, Section 1983 and 1985 for conspiracy. You're dismissed.
I'm dismissed.
You're dismissed.
Refusing to provide ID, he cites legal statutes, firmly defending his rights.
In Florida, if there is no crime, then I do not have to identify myself. I have not committed a crime. You cannot articulate a crime. You just said it in front of 27 people that I didn't commit a crime. If I have not committed a crime, then I do not need to ID. Bye-bye. What you're saying is a waste of time. I can't even understand you. So just piss off and get lost.
The deputies, unable to argue his points, eventually step down. It's a bold demonstration of knowing and asserting one's rights under the law. What do you think about these encounters? Did they change how you see public rights? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more eye-opening content. Until next time, this is On the Record.